Hey there, this is Lisa with WTI. If you're trying to go from this to this, I highly recommend you to check out this corner shower caddy standing by Bethom. I love how easy it was to assemble. It literally took me less than 10 minutes and I did it all by myself. It comes with everything you need. You don't need any additional tools at all. I really appreciate that this has high quality metal. It's sturdy and it looks very durable. I also like that it's rust and waterproof since I'll be using it for the shower. It has a very minimalist look, which is something I also appreciate. I really like that it has these openings in between because it's going to provide perfect drainage in the shower. This can be used in any section of your home. It makes everything look organized, tidy. It can be used in your living room, in your laundry room, in your bathroom, or in the shower. So if you're looking for a corner caddy standing, I recommend this one by Bethom. And that's my point of view.